Hello guys, my name is Mustafa Nassar. I'm actually part of cohort 2 and I was a little bit in cohort 1. I noticed a lot of people in the chat are asking about different setups for their cameras, like if this camera is good, if this camera is bad, and I just want to make sure that don't overthink the camera spec too much because I don't think the camera matter so much when we're starting, even if you're into that game for so long. What matters is if you know how to use the camera to the best optimization. But that means I'm actually shooting on my iPhone 7 Plus camera, which is generations past, right? But the thing is, what Nathan mentioned before is lighting. When he turned off his light, his camera didn't look that great, right? But that's the same thing with any cameras. Lighting is 90% of the image. If you're using a red camera and you have no light, the image quality will look so bad. So the reason I'm making this video is I want to show you, like, this is how the image looked on an iPhone with the light, and this is the image without the light. It's completely different and it looks very amateur, right? So the reason I made this video because I wanted to show you a quick setup if you have a mirrorless camera or a DSLR on how to shoot your first video. I don't want you to overthink anything, just get the basics right, which is the frame rate, your aperture, and exposure. This is the main 3 triangles that you need to do to optimize your image.